Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Life. Today in this video we are going to make this basic model by using the SolidWorks tool. So you can see the drawing of the basic model that we are going to make in this tutorials. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for the OK. So let it be unit millimeter gram second. I'll choose here top plane and let's start the sketch. So I'll start with this origin. I'll draw two circles here. Now we need to give the dimension here. Just select, click on the dimensions, click on the dimension tool and give the dimension. The outer one is having the diameter 40 and the inner one is having the diameter 16. Now choose line from here. Which is like this. Okay, doesn't matter here, I made the things wrong, but I can make it correct by giving the relation. So click on this, make it horizontal, click on this. This is already vertical, click on this, make it horizontal. Now you can see it is like this. Now we need to give a dimensions which is from this center, this dimension is 60. Click on the dimensions and give the dimension from this point to this center having the dimension 60. Now you can see here, I will just do one thing. I'll trim this portion. I don't need this portion. Come out from the sketch. Go for the extrude features, extrude boss base. I'll select the sketch from here and I'll be giving the extrude height from here to here, that is 12 mm. Just go with this. OK. Now you see here, in the same way I will choose this front plane and I'll go for the sketch and make it normal to the plane. And draw here two circles. We need to give the diameter for both the circles. So the inner one is having the diameter which is 16 and the outer one having the diameter 40 and the height is from the base. This portion, the height of the center is 20. So give there 20. Now you can see we need to define the position also. So from this edge to this horizontal distance is 20. Now you can see here the sketch. This sketch is getting fully defined. I'll just do one thing. So click on this edge, go for the convert entities and take a lines from this point and this point. We need to connect it and I will take one more line. I will connect this point and this point. Now go to the trim tool and you have to trim this part and you have to trim this part and this part. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. Come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base. Now you can see it is coming to this side. We need to reverse the direction and give the extrude height which is 12 mm. Now we will do one thing. We will click on the fillet tools and I'll just give here one fillet having the fillet radius 3 mm. Just go with the OK. Now we will choose here this extrude features and fillet features. Go for the mirror and we need to make it mirror about the front plane and just go with this OK. Now you can see your part is like this. In the same way I will select this face and make it normal to the plane and go for the sketch. I will draw here two circles once again. Draw the circle Click on the dimension here and give the dimension, the outer one having the diameter 40 and the inner one having the diameter 16. We'll be giving the dimension from this edge to this is 40. Now I'll be giving one more relation, this point and this point, give the relation here vertical. Now you can see it's getting fully defined. Click on this, make it convert entities and just draw lines, connect this from here to here and connect this from here to this. Now you can see I'll just give here dimension this and this, give the relation tangent, go with this, okay, and here also give the relation this and this, give the relation tangent, just go with the okay. Now your sketch is getting fully defined. I need to go for the trim tool and I have to trim this inner portions. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined and as well as closed. Come out from the sketcher and go for extruded boss base, and we need to extrude it. Just reverse the directions, we'll just reverse it and let it be 12 mm and go for the OK. Here we need to do one thing, we'll be giving here one fillet. That fillet radius I'll be giving here 3 mm. Just go with this, OK. Now if you want you can change the appearance, click on this and choose here. I'll be choosing here like this. You can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.